Happy early Father's Day.
No way.
Yeah. And then he'll walk over and give you
Alcohol reacts badly with my look, and he started going like this, and the whole ceiling was like shifting back and forth. Yeah, we'll have one of those one day. I'm just kidding.
Happy, we have a present for you.
What do you say? Go give that to Ken.
It's a thing for you.
Happy what?
Happy Father's Day.
Happy early Father's Day.
Thank you. Is that right if I wait?
Yeah, that's fine.
We had a big old carpenter bee here the other day.
Oh, yeah?
Oh, yeah?
About as big as my fist.
Oh, hey, I didn't even look this way.
Yeah, it looks
You got a little
set
up here. That one looks a little crooked.
It is, because there wasn't nothing to put there, so I tried to put something there.
Like, cool looking at night.
Yeah, too much light for me. Shut up. They're those little wren-looking birds that are red on their breasts.
Well, if
You'll
they're
see.
red, then it was a finch.
Is that what they are? Finches?
Yeah.
Really?
One of them has red like all over, and the other just has a little red
These
on
are
them.
like almost all red.
Then they're purple finch, I think.
It's gonna be.
It's a telescope.
It's
It's wood. Ah,
cool. And it's a bird.
what is it? Like
cardinal.
It's a mug.
Is it from a bat?
There's something written on
It's a
it.
baseball bat beer mug.
It says Colonel.
Eat a pizza.
Nice, thank you guys.
You're welcome.
You're welcome.
And pizza is yummy.
Still real hot.
I'm burning myself right now.
Hot? Are you burning yourself?
A baseball bat beer mug.
No way.
Yeah.
It's Cubs.
Oh, that's cool. It's done up and everything.
Yeah.
It's Cubs.
Yep.
That's awesome.
It's designed to drink beer out of, but you can drink anything, including hot drinks out of it.
No way.
Yeah.
He got them Thursday, and I went down and got tires put on the car.
Like a plug kit
Can you put it back in there?
that will, like, when he walks by, he'll bark, and then he'll walk over and he'll give him treats, and he'll stop.
Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday, dear Daddy. Happy birthday to you.
Hey! You actually stay pretty well on key.
Yeah, he can stay on key.
32.
That was fun. Long potatoes. I can't believe this is so fun.
Thank you very much.
It's delicious, Beth. Thank you.
No problem.
Good boy.
Wasp coming at me. Leave me alone. I have to do this, baby. One thing is it leans in order for me to get it tight enough.
Well, yeah, these weren't designing for wiring something up in between.
Grown-up grapevine.
LD.
Yeah, it stands for Lane Del Valley. That's Happy's name.
Yeah,
What's that look like?
a flower.
Hey, you got that right.
Yeah, I don't have a tattoo.
Because Poppy wants to look at his mama's Bible. Okay.
Tintin just freaks out. Tintin just freaks out.
You love your pappy?
Head on me.
Yeah. Because I love you so much.
Well, that's nice.
I can't remember if I told Tobias that he was getting this. I don't think I did. No, look there. So, I'm not gonna lie, I don't want to do anything. I shouldn't have drank any beer yesterday. I knew it was gonna make me feel like this the next day, but I did anyway. Ooh, but anyway, it's really hard for me to resist beer, especially on a hot day, or even just like a mild day. A cold beer just sounds so delicious. And so yeah, I drank a couple of beers yesterday, but alcohol,
I want to go fetch with this.
you can fetch it around, whatever, as long as I can see you. But anyway, the alcohol reacts badly with my medication. Not in a violent or extreme way, but in a, you know, it just makes me feel down. Like alcohol does that anyway to a lot of people, but it does it more so when I am on my medication. So I'm just feeling completely unmotivated, but I haven't been in the garden for a while, as in like 3-4 days, and the weeds are gonna just keep taking over everything if I don't keep up on it. So yesterday I was not that motivated, but I still got things done. So because I worked in the garden yesterday, even though it still needs to be worked on like every day, I feel better about not going out there today because I just don't feel good. So I just want to work on getting things done around the house. Today at some point, we're supposed to get some stuff in the mail for Bill's birthday, belated birthday gift, that has to be set up in the garage. So if it does come, then we'll be going outside just to the garage to set some stuff up for some Bill's birthday / Father's Day giftness. That's Bill's birthday present. It's a little Coca-Cola radio. I also got him really nice Edison lights to put around in the garage, and I'm gonna put them up for him and surprise him with them. I hope this whole thing doesn't cave in on us, because yesterday when my brother was here, that was yesterday, right? My brother went up in the attic up here. I went up the ladder and like was looking around while he was up there, and Ben's like, hey Betsy, look. And he started going like this, and the whole ceiling was like shifting back and forth. So I'm a little bit worried. But first I have to knock spider webs down and unplug that, and it's gonna be a whole thing. What did you do?
What is that?
Did you hurt yourself? Did it zap you? Baby, it's plugged in. Are you all right? Let me look at you. Did it hurt real bad, or was it just a little shock? That's called getting electrocuted. Except it could have been a lot worse. You feel normal? Okay. It's all right, baby. I know that was scary. I shouldn't have left it plugged in. I wasn't thinking. I'm sorry. I should have warned you not to touch it. I didn't think about it. I'm so sorry, baby.
Don't do that again.
That took entirely too long. I didn't think it was going to take that long, but it did. And now it's already getting close to his bedtime, and I need to get us something to eat. And I got a headache still. I've had a headache all day.
Did you like your surprises?
Sure did. Yeah, I walked in and I flipped on the light switch and I'm like, oh, it's really bright in here. Talking about my little.
Yeah!
Yeah, that was awesome.